Hello, how are you? So in this presentation, I'm going to show you a fetal breathing. Some of you have seen it, some of you are yet to see it. So today I want to see you how a fetus breathes inside the womb. So you can see here in the proper view, you can see the swallowing, you see the baby swallowing there. This is breathing, you can see that's the nose there, that's the nose there. So this is how you see the breathing. The nose, you can see the color flow there in the nose. That's how the fetus is breathing. So you can see there's also some fluid that is going to the mouth. So it's breathing with the mouth and the nose. So you can see. So color Doppler helps you to see fetal breathing. So you can see the both the mouth and the nose. What you can only see on the chest is the heart movement there, the heart motion there, but it's not easy to see the chest movement. So there you can see the baby swallowing, and then you can see the fetal respiration there, fetal respiration, fetal respiration. If you look closely, you can see that the baby is swallowing, the baby is swallowing there, swallowing, is swallowing. So this is how you capture fetal breathing. So there's a lot more that you can do in terms of fetal assessment. So when you're doing now the fetal biophysical score, you must check the tone, the fetal breathing. So these are some of the skills that you need to cultivate if you are going to do a complete fetal scan. But most of you, they are doing detailed scans, yet they are not able to do these basic type of scans, and you can't do the fetal biophysical score. So if you look closely, you can actually count the breathing in and the breathing out. So when the fetus breathe in, you can see the color changes blue, red, blue, breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. I hope you are seeing that. Are you seeing the change in color? Are you seeing the change in color there? Blue, blue, red. So that transition shows you that the baby is breathing. Have you ever observed that, or you guys are just busy every day? Look, red, red there. Look, blue, red, blue, red, blue. So the different types of motion, breathing in, breathing out. In, look at the mouth again. You can see in and out. Breathing in and out. In and out. In and out. You guys are always busy doing these ultrasound scans every day. But these are some of the things that you miss when you're scanning. They sound very obvious, but there are things that you need to practice to become an expert, or to be able to visualize the breathing pattern. So I want you guys to practice when the baby is this profile, then profile like that, then practice the breathing, check the mouth breathing, check the nose breathing, like that. I need you to practice this. Can you all send your capture on our group so that we see who is mastering? Send on our group, see who is mastering how to do the fetal breathing, the breathing movement. So this is how we learn. It's appear obvious. Yeah. We are not transitioning from theory where we just talk about fetal breathing, what, the normal heart rate and what, but we are not putting everything in practice. So it's time to put everything in context, put everything in practice. So thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this educational content. If you've got areas of improvement or areas which you need us to touch on and assist you, feel free, just type under the comment section. Then we review that and we can assist you accordingly. Thank you.